Well, hey there! Surprise, I'm not dead. Yes, I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded. It's been a crazy and very busy year. Stupid COVID. But I have a few scripts ready for some new videos, and something looks different though, doesn't it? Oh, this? Yes, this is our new S4 that we just acquired for the recording program here at Northeast. We've just had it in here temporarily so that we could, make sure it works and make sure we know how to run the thing. And I know some people have mixed feelings about a control surface like this. They say it's just a big mouse, but you know what? It's a very well-designed mouse. I like it a lot. So today's task is to get this thing out of here and put it in here. There, that looks more familiar, right? So we're going to set up a GoPro and put it on time lapse so you can see this whole process. But first, why don't I just grab this thing and show you around a little bit? Alright. So what we got to do is get all of our gear out of here. Got to unplug all this attractive stuff down here. This is what happens when I leave my students alone for too long. What the hell? Okay, that doesn't look anything like me. This guy is way better looking. And then I gotta do this part. All of this is the new Argosy console that the S4 is going into. Some assembly required. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Here we go. I swear this is a lot more organized than it looks. This is an Argosy desk that the console is going into, and I gotta say I really like Argosy's stuff, and putting them together is actually a really smooth process. However, Argosy, I love you guys, but oh my god, it took just as long to get the stuff out of the packaging as it did to put it together. And I'm only slightly exaggerating. It was right about here that I was starting to really question my choices in life. I mean, my brother's an architect, he seems happy. And done. Well, that was all kinds of fun. Well, that's all for me for now. I just gotta, figure out what all these buttons do now. Just kidding, I know what most of them do. So again, more videos are coming. I'm sorry it's been such a long time, but life. So let me know if there's any videos that you are interested in seeing. If there's a topic I haven't covered that you want to know more about, let me know and we'll see if I can come up with something. So I hope you're all taking care of yourselves. I will see you soon. But for now, I'm gonna go take a nap.